Tell me. I'm coming to ask you.
I'm gonna ask you shit. I don't know shit.
You don't know shit?
I don't know nothing.
Why not?
Stand down. Look at my face.
What was going on at Taco Bell?
What?
What happened at Taco
I
Bell?
don't know if you tell me what happened at Taco Bell.
Trying to figure it out. That's why I'm asking you.
I ask you shit 'cause I don't know shit.
Alright. Well, we're about to figure it out.
I don't know what the fuck I'm figure out. I don't give a fuck.
Alright, do me a favor. Take your hands out of your pockets, yeah?
I don't gotta take my hands out of pocket.
Take your hands out of your pockets.
Do I gotta take my hands
Take
out
your
of
hands
shit?
out of your pockets.
I don't gotta
man.
take my hand out of shit.
You do.
No,
Take
I
your hands
don't.
out of your pockets.
No, I don't.
You got anything on you? Any weapons? Ma'am, do me a favor. Take your hands out of your
I
pockets.
gotta take my hands out of my pocket.
Look at we can do this the easy way or the hard way, right?
I ain't gotta take my hands out of nothing.
We're here, we're investigating if you caused damage to Taco Bell.
Yeah.
Okay? They said that you were here at the bus stop, and they gave us your description. That's why we're here. Okay? I don't want to be here talking to you, but if there's something going on with Taco Bell and they're calling us, I have to talk to you, okay? Ma'am, what's your name?
You don't got to give me your name. What was you doing? Standing on the bus stop.
I get that, but what were you doing before?
No, what was y'all doing before?
I was patrolling, doing my job.
What
Well, what were you doing?
you mean what I'm doing?
Were you at Taco Bell?
Do it look like I was at Taco Bell? Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Do it look like I got some Taco Bell?
Were you there before?
Was you there?
Were you there before? Yes or no? All right. Well, we'll figure it out one way or the other.
Yeah, we sure will.
Okay.
Who's our caller? Taco Bell?
Connor's Taco Bell. She's got a belt on her hand, so.
Put on gloves, though. What you think I'm gonna do with gloves? Like that.
When's the last time you used drugs?
Last time you used drugs.
I can't
Okay, then shut up, I'll use drugs. Nah, man. They did that to my killer. So did.
They did what?
What?
They did what?
That's so.
Waiting on this guy, I don't know. 95? All right.
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Did you get the...
I'll get everything else. I got the witness and I got everything.
Okay. She's got that belt on, ma'am. If you swing that belt, it's going to be an issue, okay?
Back over here, all right?
It's gonna be an issue with your husband. Now touch me.
Come here. The metal part's at the end. Be careful.
Oh, this traffic.
All right. So listen, you're under arrest. Yeah. You come over here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Underground. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. You're okay. Give us your hands.
Yeah.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, that was?
Okay. I got it. We're gonna go Harrison side. Ready?
Yeah, do it. And watch the
1,
lips go.
2, 3. Stop. Stop. Roll.
Hey, don't try to fight me.
Stop lying.
Get the taser out.
And watch what she do. Do it. Yeah, watch what she do. Tase me and watch what she do.
Stop squeezing my hand and pressing your nails on me.
Do it. Do it. Yeah, you weak as the my mama. Yeah, your mama. Do it. Your ass. They gonna talk about
Ready,
it.
press again. We're gonna roll.
Yep.
Roll from here.
I'll take you.
Got her hand on me.
I'm not trying to get bit, though.
No, all right. We'll come. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. There you go.
Ooh. Hey. Ass me. Yeah. Stop. Nah, you stop. But they ass.
You got to spit us?
Shut up, bitch. Get up.
Stop. Don't spit on me. Stop spitting.
Ass nigga, do it again.
Stop spitting.
Knock
Please
your
stop
mother
spitting.
ass out.
All right, I'm going to 136, bro.
Please stop
He
spitting.
touching her.
Please
He
stop.
touching her. Get the f off of me, ho.
We're gonna need a female for a search, but I think we just do it at the station.
Yeah,
As long as
do
we
it.
got no weapons right here that we can see.
Stop. Ass nigga. Watch this shit. Yeah, watch. Yeah, watch this shit.
Stop.
Taking her shit off her.
I don't want you to have anything in your shoes.
That's why you got some. Ooh. Damn.
32 for 41, I have one.
Get off of
Are those your bags, miss?
it. Yeah. Nah, yo, don't fiend ass keep following her, no. Get off her. Yeah, that's why they beat your ass.
Yeah, we're on
nigga.
95 and the south side.
Off of her. Get off of her, nigga. What the f you holding her face for? Get the f
Well, that's what we're talking about.
do it. Do it, ass nigga. Yeah, knock your Get off her face. Ass. Relax your ass, nigga.
Careful, if you're trying to fight, you can spit it.
Stop lying, you ass nigga. She'll kill these nigga.
Relax.
Shut up, liar. Get off her.
I'm trying to help you right now.
You ain't trying to do nothing. Get off her face then, who ass.
Oh, don't kick! Ow, ow, how would you do that? What the?
For 3 vehicles, the white van, blue van, and green sedans that are parked in residential parking.
Oh, wow. Beat the f out of them, Jim.
Don't kick, stop kick. Get in the car. Stop kicking.
Damn. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Ambulance. Yeah, touch her in the wrong way, nigga. Touch her in the wrong way, nigga. Touch her in the wrong way, nigga.
Alright, roller. Walk aside. Don't kick. Stop kicking. Stop
Do
kicking.
it. Come get the f off of me, your ass, nigga. Off her ass. Step on her again. Scary ass. Watch this. Ain't gonna be stupid. Keep squeezing my hand. You shut up.
Please stop.
Yeah, shut the f up. Keep squeezing my hand. Yeah. Touch her in the wrong. Get the f off her. Yes. Ooh, that's scary. Ooh. 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 Keep squeezing my hand. Get them cuffs off. Get the cuffs off. Yeah, scary ass. Don't touch me in the wrong way, yo. Do it. While she beat your ass. Where my stuff at?
You're gonna get all your stuff back.
Yeah, let her know get it.
We don't
Ass
You're
nigga.
gonna get your stuff back.
Oh, okay, beating your ass. Hey, Jill, remember his face. Remember his face. Bust his shit. Yeah.
Jack it off the wrong end of the house.
I'm talking.
Make sure.
Yeah.
We're going to give the front lot.